Hey y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna do this really quickly. I am cooking. Y'all look what I'm cooking. Hold on, y'all. I just want to show y'all what I'm cooking. Baby, look at that. And I got these bad boys right here. So I'm gonna call myself doing a whole boil. I've never done a seafood boil or anything like that, but I've watched it to the best of my ability. And y'all know something? Fun fact, I didn't know crabs had tails on them. Look at this. Y'all see this? I didn't know crabs had tails. That's a tail right there. So what I'm going to do is clean these potatoes. I'll bring y'all around here so y'all can see. I'm going to clean these potatoes. Hold on. Let me bring y'all down a little bit. There we go. Can y'all see? Okay, anyway. So, I'm going to clean these potatoes. I also got some shrimp too, y'all. And I clean my potatoes in like bleach water. Go ahead and drop that bad boy in there. All right. Drop that bad boy in there. I don't think my husband gonna eat any, but hey, I'm about to eat good tonight. I got a team call in a few minutes, so I really gotta hurry up and prepare everything. But make sure if y'all gonna eat like the skin on y'all's potato, make sure you wash it out with bleach water. I've been saving my stomach all day for this, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm cooking. I got some scrimps and I got some more lobster. I had lobster yesterday and I was like, oh, that meat good, golly. So I know y'all probably wondering like what happened to like the whole plant-based thing. So I love seafood, y'all. I gotta have some type of protein, and so I eat a lot of wild caught fish and stuff. I think this is all the potatoes that I'm gonna put in there. It's like 3 more left, oh well. So now what I'm gonna do is take some of my drunk spice seasoning. And I'm gonna take some of my crawfish boil and mix the two together. So let me turn y'all back around over here. And bring y'all up a little bit more. Hold on. Y'all see that crabs? Let's see. All right. You know, black folks don't really measure nothing out, right? We just pour that in there until the ancestors tell us to stop, which is what I'm doing right now. Same over here. There we go. Put some of this in here. Now, I'm going to take, because it's going to take a lot longer for those potatoes. So I'm going to take my shrimp and my lobster. So my lobsters are already cooked. So I'm going to take the shrimp and put them in the pan that's over here. It's going to take these potatoes, and I feel like these crabs are a lot longer to cook. It don't really take a long time for shrimp to cook. All right, so all my shrimp are over there. I'm about to take these bad boys. Make sure y'all sanitize. Look at that. Yes. You see this? Don't just get y'all food and like automatically just put it in there. So guess what you're gonna do? You're gonna wash that off. Hold on just a second. And the reason why I'm putting these over here is because they're already cooked, so I don't need to put them in there for too long. All right, y'all. All right. Okay, so now that we got that taken care of, hold on, y'all. Let me tag my friend in here because every time. So she always says that, hold on. She always says that, seafood is like roaches of the sea, right? So this is so funny to me. All right, so now that I got that in there, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this up on high. Put some more seasoning in this joint because I don't think it's enough for what I have in there. Right, so my vegetables, I'm gonna hook it up with some asparagus again. I told you, like, when black people cook, we don't measure nothing out. We ain't got time to be measuring stuff out. We want to make sure that when you eat, it hit you. You know what I'm saying? Bam, we got one in. I think I'm gonna have to turn this thing sideways. Put another one in. Move these potatoes around. Hold on, y'all. So y'all know what? I always say, like, I ain't about to go to no store. Ooh, that seasoning getting to me. No restaurant spend all that money on some food when I can cook the same stuff at home. These some big ones. I'm trying to put them in there like sideways. I don't feel like using another pot. I feel like the potatoes, y'all, is like in a way. So hold on just a second. Yep, they are. Let's put them down. Okay, so let me tell you how we're gonna cook this. We're gonna turn these bad boys over and make them fit in this pot. We're gonna make them fit in this pot, y'all. I'm about to eat good tonight. I sat there and ate 4 lobster tails last night. It was so good. Okay, and then to top it off, I got me some vegan butter. I don't want no wherever butter comes from, but I got me some vegan butter. I'm gonna season this up real good, melt it, dip them lobster and that crab off in there. Woo, I can't wait to eat this. I got my utensils ready to go, y'all. Real talk, I'm so excited about this. Hold on, let me bring this up. So I've been like in a cooking mood today. Hold on. There we go. Hungry. What'd it say? Hey, Deborah. Hey, Lex. Sheena. Dana. What's up, y'all? Ella Joe. All right, so anyways, I got my utensils ready. I was looking, I was like, I need some crab, like something to crack these legs on these crabs. But anyway, so we gonna get it done. It's like, let me see. Hey, y'all. So we gonna get it done. I gotta get on a call with my team member in a few minutes, but hopefully I can get this crab to like get all the way in the pot, hopefully. So we'll see what's up. I might have to move these potatoes to that other pot. I think that's what I'm gonna do, so that these can fit in here. Yeah, now they fit. Oh, shout out to Yvonne. If y'all on here and y'all need y'all nails done, shout out to my nail lady. She's on here. She do a really good job on my nails, y'all. Y'all see my nails? Oh, and if you need that seasoning, go to find Drunk. I'll post it in here, but it's Drunk Chef. It's the seasoning that I use. I try not to, like, if I know somebody can do something that and they local and it's their business, instead of me going to the grocery store and like buying, I just buy from them. But I need the seafood seasoning because I don't have any of that from her. So y'all, this water ain't red enough. We gotta put some seasoning in that joint. Yeah, this water, I need some more seasoning in that joint. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you drink a lot of water too. Like right before you eat this, you need to be drinking mad water, okay? And then, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna detox before I eat all of this. Because even though it's like somewhat healthy or whatever, even though it's like somewhat healthy, and I say somewhat healthy because whatever you eat if you eat it in a large quantity, it's not gonna be healthy, okay? It don't matter. Okay. All right, I got both of them to fit in here. Yeah, so it don't matter. Like, if you eat something in a large quantity, it's not gonna be healthy. At that point, you know what I'm saying? That's what it is, right? So I know I'm about to chow down tonight. Let me see what they say. Hey, y'all. I know I'm about to chow down tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit up about 3 sachets of tea. And I do about 6 teas a day, honestly. So I want to make sure I'm snatched. So I'm going to be cooking some asparagus. And the way I cook my asparagus, y'all, I like it that real pretty green, okay? And I'm going to be putting some like avocado and stuff like that. So I'm not just eating protein, which is what this is. Ooh, I can't wait, y'all. Ooh, I can't wait. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook, let that boil, let it do what it do. Now the lobster, I don't have to let it cook too long because, let me show y'all. Hold on. I need y'all seeing the rest of my house. So the lobster, I don't have to let that cook, okay? Mainly because it was already cooked when I got it. So I don't have to let that stay in here too long. But I want my shrimp to stay in there so it can get some seasoning, okay? So yeah. These po things, they so good. All right, so I'm gonna come back once they done. I'm gonna let y'all see. Let me see. Why are you making? Hold on. Oh, what am I making? So I'm making 2 big ass crabs. Okay, let me show you. So earlier when I got on, I was like, it's a joke. But anyways, I got crabs. Like, I was like, I got crabs, y'all. Not those crabs, these crabs. So I'm making, let me show y'all. Can you see it? Look at this. And I got these from Costco, I think. You see it? The whole crab. So I'm making that. I got some potatoes on over there. I got some lobster over here, like whole lobsters. See? And your girl got some shrimps. I know it's shrimp, but I got shrimp. So, ooh, it's hot. Yeah, it's fancy. Wow, yeah. So I was in the mood. I was in the taste. I was like, I want some seafood. Believe it or not, I might eat all of this today. It depends. I don't want to be greedy or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So, but I don't think my husband likes seafood like that, but he might eat this. But I never knew, y'all. I never knew that crabs had tails until I turned this thing over right here. So I'm gonna let that boil. I'm gonna let it do what it do. Once that's done, I'm gonna put that asparagus on. I got some vegan butter. So I got some vegan butter, and so what I'm gonna do with this vegan butter is melt it. Put a little bit of not the spicy jerk seasoning, but she got another seasoning that I use. This Caribbean seasoning in there. Dip that bad thing. Ooh, y'all, I can't wait. I cannot wait. Enjoy yourself. You have to share. Girl, yes. I am so excited. So I think I'm gonna come live when I do more cooking. I be really active on my Instagram page, y'all. If y'all follow me over there, I am very, very active on my Instagram page. Like, I feel like I post more over there, and then I don't want to forget about y'all over here on Facebook. They be supporting you girls. So, but yeah, I'm gonna let these boil, and let these potatoes boil, and I'll be back once it's done. Y'all have a good day, a good night. Let's see what you say. Have to share. Ooh, she said, ooh, that look tasty. Y'all have a good night.